Probably the most crucial part to having a successful dropshipping business is having the right products. So in this video, I want to showcase 2 products that have done 6 figures with just literally one product. It's not like these stores are generating 6 figures from many products. It's one product. So without further ado, let's get into it. So before you get started, if you guys did not know, there's a simple strategy to where you find bit.ly links on Facebook through the strategies that I taught in the past 2 videos. Because let's say you now have a few ads that you found on Facebook, you can actually track how many link clicks every single Facebook ad has gotten. So that's how I'm going to be showing you these products that we're able to generate. I'm going to assume over 6 figures just because I have done the math, and on average for myself, my stores generate at least $1 for every visit. So if I get 20 visits, I normally get one sale of $20. Or if I get 100 visits, I'll get 5 sales of $20 because that's just how the math plays out for my stores and for a lot of other people. So we're going to go with that statistic. But I have found, I found a few products that had like 10,000 link clicks or 5,000, which is okay, but you really want to get into these products that are getting massive amounts of clicks. Like I'm showing you 6-figure clicks, which will in turn generate 6-figure income. So from that, these are 2 products I found that have generated 6 figures. And this is not like they generated 6 figures in the span of a few months. No, I'm not going to be giving you some sort of case study like that. I'm going to show you these products that are generating 6 figures in like 2 weeks or 3 weeks and stuff like that. So we're going to get into these products. As you can read it right here, it's a multifunctional leather refurbishing cleaner. Very random, right? You probably wouldn't think it's anything. We'll go check out the product page. Like literally, people would think that we have to sell a product for $100 to generate 6 figures through dropshipping, when in reality, you don't. So this is one of the products. It has, in the span of, January 18th to February 5th, it's generated 155 link clicks, gotten up to 20,000 link clicks in a day, which is mad amounts of visits to a website. And this is the product page. I think the biggest thing we can take away from this video is realizing how they set up their store. So off the bat, it's very simple. A lot of people think you have to create a store very professionally and have everything laid out and have every single thing on your website, when in reality, this store has done probably 6 figures at least, at minimum, with just this one product, and it has 2 tabs on its header. That's it. So I don't think, I think a lot of people use the whole thing to where like they think that they need to do a ton to their store as a form of procrastination, when in reality, you should just get started. So as we go through this website, we realize they have buy more, save more discounts. So they have, minimum order quantity, you get a certain amount of discount, all that stuff to increase average order value. So with that said, if people think that they're going to be cleaning leather often, what they can do is they can buy more and be able to save money on their purchase, which is huge. Americans, we love to save money per purchase. So if we can get a better deal, if just buying in bulk is a better deal, then we will most likely take that offer up. So that is why that is there. You save more when you buy more. Another one is a guaranteed safe checkout badge. I like these. They look very simple. The Stripe one looks very simple. PayPal looks simple. It looks modern. I don't like these gold ones. They kind of look like they're in 2005 catalogs. But overall, I think it's a pretty solid landing page to send visits to you or to send potential customers to. And then they have videos or just GIFs, because these have no audio. They have GIFs where they're now showcasing exactly how the product works. That's the biggest thing when you have a product description page. You want to, you want to showcase exactly what you're selling and what the results of what you're selling are. Now, you don't want to false advertise because that looks insane, but that probably is true though. But you want to make sure you're showcasing exactly what it can do. And now they're showing what you can use this leather cleaner for, so on. And then they have reviews, which is good. And tons of reviews that I'm going to assume is from AliExpress, exporting the reviews. I'm not sure, but that is going to be one product. It is nuts how much money this one product generated for this company. And it just goes to show, like, you don't have to have a perfectly set up website. You don't have to have a crazy product. No one would have thought, like, if I told you guys a 6-figure product, what is it? people would think like fidget spinner, like high tier products, like, I don't know, you have to sell a few of these $100 products or something like that. When in reality, like just something as simple as leather cleaner can get this many link clicks in the span of like, what is this? Like 20 days, almost not even 20 days. Like you can get over 155,000 link clicks. So, it gets pretty unreal when you start to realize the full potential of how much you can do in revenue with this. Now, their video ad, I couldn't find it when I was setting up for this video because I wanted to show you guys it, but they had a video ad, again, showcasing how the product was working. It was generally something like this, and then it added pictures, and it was kind of stuff like that. So you want to make sure you're having video ads that showcase exactly what the product does. You don't even, if it's a product like this, you don't even need to show the product as much, but you just need to show, I don't even think they showed a picture of this leather cleaner. They just showed before and after results with the leather cleaner. And then, they don't even show the picture of the product. It's just pure results, which people don't really care what the product looks like if it's just producing a result. Like if it's a product to just produce a result rather than a visual product like wearing clothes, it doesn't really even need to be shown in the ad. So that is going to be number one. This is the one store that had 155 link clicks for this one product. I have one more for you guys. This one is also nuts. The product page is also unreal. Like it, and I'll refresh this as well. This isn't me editing this. They got more link clicks, as you can see. It's not me editing this. This is real time, what's happened. So that is one of the stores. We're going to move into the second one now, because this second one also is very, very interesting, to say the least. With the product page, it's not good at all, but I assume they did at least 6 figures with this product. So we're going to get into that right now. This one right here. And by the way, these 2 products and the links to the websites are all included in my 30 dropshipping product list I have for sale. I'll have a link in my description for that, but I'm giving these 2 away for you for free just because these were some of the big ones that stuck out to me as far as link clicks. I was very surprised when I saw this. So this is a sure sign of, generating a lot of sales. This one definitely was a longer product, but they are still running it. As you can see, they definitely are scaling now. It's like dropped off a little bit, but it's a mini power bank. So I want to take you guys to this product page because you're kind of going to laugh, hopefully. Look at the product title. It is like over 10 lines long, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It's a 12-line long product name. I think that's unreal. I normally have 1-line product names. So, should we take note of this? Should we adjust what we're doing? I don't really know. I think this is just something that has been very interesting for me to see, just because I'm not used to this at all. So we see that they are selling this product for $39. They have multiple colors. And then they have this over here, which varies the product by $10, the 10,000 mAh to 20,000 mAh. So, that's pretty interesting. And then they have add to cart and buy with PayPal, which I don't like the font on the add to cart. I think that could be better. And then the safe checkout badge. I don't think it's a very good safe checkout badge either. So there definitely is a lot they could improve on, but who cares? They were able to generate 122,000 link clicks. If I refresh this, I'm sure there'll be more. Yeah, a little more. But yeah, there have been a lot of link clicks, so you definitely know that this has sold a lot. I think it's a cool product though. It kind of looks like an iPhone, not like this whole part. It looks like it's an iPhone, but obviously it's not, but the whole setup does. It looks very sleek and simple. I think that's what their overall goal is. They have reviews as well. And yeah, that's their product page. It's pretty crazy. I see similar stuff in this product page with this one as well. They have a ton of facts about it, maybe too many. And then they have pictures. Charge your phone 5 times. They have like key points that they try to touch on. Charge your phone 5 times. Pictures of it, how sleek it looks with other iPhones, and just stuff like that. So in general, they definitely do display exactly what the product is, how many times you can charge your phone with it, and all that stuff to basically eliminate questions that potential consumers may have, because that's the biggest thing. People won't buy products if they have tons of questions about it, because what will happen is they will begin to doubt themselves and doubt in their mind, like, oh, I don't really need this product. But if you can give them facts off the bat and say, hey, you can charge this, with this little product, which is like a battery like that small, you can charge your phone 5 times, and it has 20,000 mAh, which I don't know what that is. I have seen it all over, but I'm not really too certain what it is. And then, we originally sell it for $75.80, but we're actually going to be selling it for $50 for the next week or something like that. And then we have different colors and different battery volumes and all that stuff. So I think this was just an overall interesting store to look at. These both were, because I think a lot of people have a stigma that a dropshipping product that has to do six figures is going to be something crazy and the product page is going to look like Apple's homepage or like stuff like that, when in reality it's not. It's literally it comes down to good marketing and a good product. Like when you have that, you really can have a crappy website set up like this. I'm not saying have a bad website. I'm sure they could fix a few things and have a higher conversion rate. But it definitely goes to show that you do not necessarily need all that stuff. So that's something to always keep in mind. A lot of people have this whole thing where they want to make everything work right away and they want to have everything set up perfectly, when in reality, you should just get things going. I had a dropshipping store that I did not have set up perfectly. It was actually very bad, and I generated a lot of money with it within the first week of launching it. And I realized, like, wow, I just need to kind of get started. That's when I learned that stores should just be launched right away. You shouldn't have to debate like, oh, does this look perfect? Is my product description perfect? The word perfect literally holds most people back, in my honest opinion. But that is going to wrap up this video. Hope you guys did enjoy. I think it was value packed. I wish I would have seen this when I was getting started, just because I thought I knew what a six-figure product looked like, and I thought I knew what a six-figure product page looked like, and I thought I knew what six-figure ads looked like. When I realized what they actually looked like, it kind of shocked me. It put me in a position to where I was like, wow, I'm overthinking things and I'm not doing things fast enough. I need to take action way faster and just get things going. So that's why I wanted to make this video for you guys, just to showcase what a six-figure product actually looks like. It's not what a lot of people think. In reality, it's normally very simple. It's just a broad product that solves many people's needs and that is affordable. So that's, when you have those components along with good marketing, you can do a six-figure product very simply. But that's going to wrap up this video. Hope you guys, again, did enjoy. If you did make it to the end, be sure to smash that beautiful like button and that beautiful looking subscribe button below. And if you have any questions or recommendations for future videos, you can always drop those in the comment section below. But other than that, guys, I will see you in tomorrow's video. Have a good one.